say them a science him. Say them a science him, you know. The boy say them a science him.
I know say them a
Them a science him. Tell me what boy do. Him no go one woman when he Mary Jane Saint Elizabeth. Tell me what woman do. Piss in a one buckle. And tell him say if he rub up himself him 7 times for him morning.
They don't want piss my rope.
Yeah, one piss him up, you know.
You know I know sense.
So what you believe? You believe say what be there?
Why someone say they know what me
Them a science me, you don't know no good over man.
Stop it. Get some help.
You can't help you with that.
You can't marry that. Me say you know them.
No sir. I don't got one yet.
You never know. You never science.
No sir. Anything will happen to me tomorrow morning, me dream it.
So-
Oh, you dream it, vision ever.
So
So if me dream see you, me you go have a fiction.
So me I say, like how him go Mary Jane, me I say going good out there, go try Mary Jane and use the piece same rate up.
No man, you can't follow him man. You have to.
But he say well for him. He say if he have 2 cans of pint by 12 o'clock he done. So me I wonder if I know piece.
Why you pick about me? Can't tell you, so me can't tell you. I never been to none of them yet.
Eh?
I never been to none of them.
Never been to the over man.
No, that's not even a mother woman me have been to.
Why?
Because I have no reason to go there. I have no reason to go there no
Why not go with you? So you know what the them like how you held a long time and thing.
No,
and thing.
yeah, no.
Mm.
You see me now? These are man, I keep myself to myself.
Oh,
If the crowd is there, it's not in the crowd.
not in the crowd.
No.
I have to go try it down there, man.
I mean, I tell you what to do because I never tell you to try it. And when you go there, you want. So what you go there and you sit to rub in, you go rub up in it too. Hey, me a plenty man say, that is there, you know.
Oh, what there?
Yeah.
You think over there?
Someone said it. I will write it down.
But most man I use and dopey work with.
Why, you know? You know what say something, I go say no, you know.
So most people regard as a man, they will them and sell out much things and alcohol in the world. Now, then go. Enough people haven't gone over man, you know, they don't got a drugstore. But don't go me, I don't know it's part of there. So if you have an idea about a drugstore, you can tell me.
Drugstore.
Yeah?
In drugstore, no pharmacy.
Me never know that.
Yes, man, you must. Any drugs you want a pharmacy, you're going to.
Eh?
Any pharma drugs you want a pharmacy, you're going to.
What kind of what type of drugs is it?
We can't tell you.
You sell lampite?
I said the wrong one that you have to. The wrong thing you have to.
No, them say drugstore is 2 drugstore. Me know one down from the road there with pharmacy where they sell pill. But another type of drugstore. So like how you know you can explain and tell me.
We say drugstore in a pharmacy, you know.
And when we say drugstore, I know you're actually.
No. The drugstore, me know pharmacy. So when you come market gate, you have one pharmacy right there. You know.
But another the drugstore there, they say one down the road there. We one step and you go up there. Right in front Juicy B. Yeah. If you want to read Juicy B, it's burgers over here too. And then over there, can turn over there and look. They see all of the people there.
Check out it then. You know about it. I never tell you yes and I never tell you no. Yes,
You know cool man carrying that cool man.
no, sir.
Eh?
No, sir.
You don't know it? You say it. So then they say, if me want one good over, me can check you.
Everybody tell us that I lie here, man. I don't know none of them. None of them. None of them, you don't know matter. Man in a party, I would know, you know.
Eh?
Man in a party, I would know, but we can't tell you. Because we don't know.
Man, they wanna know.
Well, I tell after the work I used to, you know, that party, you know. Yeah, man, but most of the whole of them dead out.
But ended out.
Yeah, man.
So I know why they know.
And some of them you have to know this, some of the boys them take you up.
Take your wicket.
You want to do that.
Sure.
Just speak.
Yeah, yeah, you. I don't care what you tell me now, I lie more than tell you.
Alright.
God, no lie.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, man.